This is a chart published by the World Economic Forum in 2016. It's a chart that crystallized a conversation that had been circling for quite some time about this notion of the fourth industrial revolution. What the World Economic Forum did in 2016 was give that conversation form and structure. What they also did was give the fourth industrial revolution a backstory. They made it part of a series of earlier waves of history and waves of economic and technical transformation. Of course, in doing that, they also stabilized both that history and the context and consequences of that history. They also made a fetish of the technical systems, and in some ways made quite mysterious what the consequences of those transformations had been to human society, to culture. And in some ways, what's also missing from this story is the story of who made that possible, and both individual biographies and the kind of practices and practitioners that had to develop. So what would happen if you revisit all these revolutions with an eye to two questions? What did it take to get to scale in each one of those moments, and what did scale look like? And the reason for asking those questions of the first three industrial revolutions is to help position ourselves to think more critically about this fourth one.